Hello friends, today in this video I am going to share with you the concept and application of dojo in a manufacturing industry. By end of this module, you will get a good understanding on what is dojo and how the concept of an ancient martial art technique has come into significance in today's manufacturing industry. So let's start. What is dojo? The word dojo doesn't sound familiar to you, right? Correct. This is a Japanese word. The word dojo literally translates to do, which means the way or the pursuit, and jo, which means a place. Hence, dojo refers to a place where people could learn and practice martial arts. In a manufacturing industry, it corresponds to any place where teaching and learning happens, acting as a training center where the trainees can train themselves on the required skill set and practice their moves like a student of a martial art, perfecting his moves before getting exposed to the real world. What is the goal of a dojo? The goal of a dojo is very simple. That is to prepare the trainee and make him competent enough to perform the job right first time and at the required efficiency level to meet the set process targets. As you can see in the image, with proper training, the person is able to walk properly on a tightrope, while others, without training, falter on the way. Similarly, in a manufacturing industry with technological advancement and stringent targets, the importance of skilled and competent manpower is invaluable to meet the customer requirement and as well as company objectives. Now we need to know why dojo is required. Dojo serves you in three fronts. First is in skilling your new employees by providing formal teaching in a dojo center which has miniature production lines and model workstation to simulate the real life conditions to practice till the trainee achieves perfection under the close supervision of a teacher. Second is in reskilling the existing employees to refresh the manufacturing concept and educate them about the technological advancement or any other changes incorporated in the manufacturing process as part of the continual improvement drive. Third is in right skilling. The new concept like Industry 4.0, artificial intelligence, 3D printing, etc., which are coming in, it has made the industry people to rethink on the skill requirement and also formulate a talent strategy to focus on the retraining of existing and new talent and have right skilling of the workforce. This is where Dojo Center will come to your service. So, who provides the dojo training? Dojo training is provided by the trainers who are experienced in their field to pass on the right set of practices to the trainees. Their job is to evaluate the trainees at the end of the training to qualify them to work on the shop floor. Once they have perfected their skills and are performing the activity first time right, they qualifies them. Now we have come to a very important part of this module, which is how dojo training is done. Dojo training is done by replicating the exact working condition as they are inside a shop floor, where the trainer teaches the trainee on the minutest of detail, focusing on improving the finer points of body mechanics, flow, and motion of the trainee. The dojo training is split into two phases. The first phase is the theoretical session for explaining the procedures and technical aspect of the job. The second is hands-on session. In this, greater emphasis is put to develop the dexterity skills. To learn by doing is the mantra. Correct use of the production line tools is also taught in the dojo, where the trainer learns how to handle and operate the tools in the most efficient and skillful manner. This involves sight, touch, and even sound in some process, where you can tell the task has been completed correctly or not by the sound the tool makes. Highly accurate muscle memory also contributes to the efficiency of the production line, where standard work processes are repeated over and over again. The other benefit of this style of teaching is that there are no language issues between the trainee and the instructor during the hands-on exercise. Here you can see the instructor is fully engrossed to explain the trainee the procedures and technical aspect of the job. This concept understanding will surely help the trainees going forward. This slide shows the instructor and trainee performing operation at the same time. This helps the trainee to compare his work with the instructor and do the course correction. Here you can see the two trainees are keenly watching the instructor performing the work and getting better understanding of the job, the right way to do the job. Dojo training room typically looks like this, as you can see in the picture, having key procedure displayed at one section of the room and having the miniature lines and workstation in it for the hands-on training. Now, what are the benefits of a dojo? There are numerous benefits of dojo, some of which are improvement in safety. The employees are trained to perform the job correctly along with the safety aspect of the work. Second is error prevention. With the philosophy of do it right first time, the operators are less likely to make errors in the shop floor. Third is improvement in quality. With the consistency in the way the work is being performed will arrest the variation and better quality products can be produced. Fourth is improvement in productivity. With the series of repeated steps performed with consistency, focusing on cycle time and takt time helps to improve the productivity. Fifth is employee morale. Seeing the good quality of work being done by them boosts the employee morale. And the last is job satisfaction. When an organization puts the effort to improve the skills of an employee, the employee feels motivated and it builds job satisfaction. With this, I have come to the end of this knowledge sharing session. Do hit the like and subscribe button if you like it and find it to be useful. You can share the feedback or queries on my email ID, that is anurag06@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time with another interesting topic. Till then, keep learning, keep sharing.